The reason we call them principles is because principles denote something that is fundamental. Or to put it differently, principles existed before they were discovered. And they were in full force before they were discovered. Like the law of gravity is a principle. Okay? And before the law of gravity was discovered, people had to live according to the law of gravity. They had no choice. I was at the Aeronautics Museum in Washington, D.C., and they said there are three principles of aviation. One is gravity, one is drag, and the other is thrust. Anybody that understands those three principles will understand how airplanes are able to fly. And ultimately, every person that builds an airplane has to build it according to those principles. If they didn't, the plane wouldn't fly. A rather minor example of it is if you want to know why you can or can't see something that's printed, there's how much light there is, how far it is from you, and how good your eyes are. That's the rock bottom understanding of why you can or can't see things. You understand those principles, you understand what's behind what's happening. When people understand principles, they can align themselves with those principles. You see, as engineers do when they build buildings, they align the buildings with the principle of gravity. And they build planes, they align them with the principles of aeronautics. And when people understand the principles of mind, consciousness, and thought, which have to do with our mental lives, they align themselves with those principles, and as a result, they have a lot of well-being, they live a lot more in their wisdom, and they have much nicer lives.